Cameron picked this bike up at Black's Corners from my buddy Steve. And how you liking it?
Loving it.
Loving it? I'd go with an 850, no problem. Next time. I mean, the 1000s are good, but you pay so much more money for them. Is it worth $5 grand more? It was $5 grand more for 1000, right?
$5,000 more, and to me, it wasn't worth it. Power steering, the aluminum rims, plus, you know, a winch and a bumper included.
Yeah.
That's not $5 grand.
So we've got this bit of bling going on Cameron's bike because we feel a little sorry for him. There's nothing shiny on this bike other than Cameron himself. We gotta doll this up. Look at that. I don't think this is gonna be a very tough install. Look at that thing. Now this is why I love RJWC. We've been selling a lot of these, and take a look at this Kai. Kai's our cameraman today. The welds on it. Laying dimes. This is all stainless steel, billet aluminum. We have not had one of these come back since we've sold many of them. Got my handy spring tool here. It looks like this, I've never changed one on this bike. It looks like this, come on over here, Kai. There's a little metal shield over this. I just sort of just popped it out, and then you just use your little spring tool. If you don't have a spring tool, you can use, oopsie, you can use a piece of shoelace, piece of wire, anything. Give her a good yank. I'm gonna put these old ones in the box. The box of RJWC parts and pieces come with everything you're gonna need to install this. Some more little things here. Wanna see that guy? You're under there. Good job, bud. Of course, we warmed this bike up, so now I have to work in this warm environment. That's okay. We had to hear it run. There we go. We thought we could get that out, but there's not enough clearance by the looks of it. So we're just gonna poke around in here. Let's see. Okay. We're learning a little bit about Polaris's, keep that on that side so we don't mix them up. Polaris's build practices. Oh, I think this will give us the access to what we need. Is there a light on that? Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. We don't even need to remove that. Here, that exhaust is a little dirty. All we needed to do is just lift that slightly. So what we could have done was just taken out the 4 bolts of this and probably just push that up at, geez, a 1/4 inch or something. And then it would do that. All right. There's that. This heat shield has to come off. Of course, my drill is out of power. Now, there we go. So Cameron, I would just keep, this is what happens, right? Like that stuff gets in between the shield and the exhaust and then starts a fire. But we will keep an eye on your plastics and all that. See how that is. Is that gonna work the way you want? Okay, I'm just gonna put these springs on. Do it like this. Nope. Like this. Stay in there. Bam. Oh yeah. looking pretty blingy, man.
It's not gonna be that blingy for a while. For long.
But the sound is going to remind you of its blinginess and its awesomeness.
Yes.
All the time. All the time. Okay. I just want to, okay, that's where that's going to go. Stand by. I think he had, they look like 13 mil. I wouldn't doubt it.
I'm gonna say 12.
It's a 13. Yeah, they do that. So, you know, I'm just looking at this. I'm leveling this out. The bike is sort of sitting like this for whatever reason, or maybe that's my wonky eye. That right there is level. Might be on a different nub or something on one side than the other. Okay, let's slap her together.
Sounds pretty dope.
It does make you feel way more badass when
Yeah.
you're playing with a bike like that. Very nice. There you go. Just give it a rev. Over here, guy. That's where the love comes from. Oh, there you go. Oh, you better now. So, 5-minute install on the Polaris HighLifter 850. RJWC exhaust sounds awesome. You're gonna have way more fun, bud.
Oh, I will.
That is, now you're gonna think you have a 2000. That sounds awesome. You get them right here at Power Mods. No problemo. In stock. Nice. Load it up. Let's go for a rip. What do you think, Simon?